Good morning, dear students. This is class 2nd computer. Your book name is Computer Zone and this is lesson number 1, that is how computers work. Before moving further, children, I will revise all that you have studied in the previous video. All that we have studied in the previous video. That is what is computer. What is computer, children? Computer is a very useful man-made machine. And we have studied 3 very important words, that is input, output and process. That is very important. All the machines work on this cycle, that is IPO cycle, input, process and output cycle. Now we will move further, children. Now computer also work on this cycle only, that is IPO cycle. Full form is input, process and output cycle. Like other machines, a computer also follows the input, process and output cycle. As I have already told you all, what is input, children? What we put in, whatever things we put in. Now in computer we will not put things. Now in computer what we put, children? Input is the data and the instruction you give to the computer. Now in input, in computer, what we put? What is the input that we put? That is data. And data can be numbers, it can be words and it can be pictures. Now, input is the data and the instruction you give to the computer. Now, in the computer, children, we don't put, as you have studied in the example, mango, sugar, milk, this is input. Now, in the computer, children, we will not put mango, sugar and all. In the computer, what we put, that is data, and data can be numbers, words and pictures. In the other language, numbers, words and pictures are input. Instructions are the commands to do task. And what are the instructions? Instructions are the command that we give to the computer to do a task. Task is work. And we give our instructions with the help of keyboard and mouse. We use keyboard or mouse to input data. Next one is process. Process is whatever is happening in the computer. And whatever thing happens, it does not happen in the monitor, children. It happens in the CPU. And CPU is used to process data. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. And what is output? The result that we are getting is output. Whatever the result we are getting, that is the output. Whatever result we are getting, that is the output. So in computer language, children, input is the data and the instruction that we give to the computer. And that data can be the numbers, it can be words and it can be pictures. What is process? Process is what is happening inside the computer to the data, and it happens in the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. What is output, children? The result that we get is the output. The result that we get is the output. Now, we see the result on the monitor, children. We see the result on the monitor. Input is the data and the instruction you give to a computer. Data can be numbers, words and pictures. Instructions are the commands to do task. Now, we give input with the help of keyboard and mouse. All the process happens in the CPU, and whatever is the result we see that result on the monitor. We see that result on the monitor. Now just notice, children, carefully. Keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor, these are the 4 main important parts of the computer. Okay, children? All these are the 4 main parts of the computer. Now this is another point. The output that you see on the monitor is called a soft copy. This also you have to study, children. This is very important. The output that you see on a monitor is called a soft copy, whereas if you take the output printed on the paper, it is called hard copy. You see this, children? Now, if on the monitor, if you are adding 2 plus 2, if you see the result on the monitor, it is the soft copy. It is the soft copy. What is soft copy? When you see the result on the monitor, monitor is the main part of the computer. When you see the result on the monitor, it is the soft copy. But when you take the printout of that result on a paper, when you take the printout of that result on a paper, that is the hard copy. That is the hard copy, children. This also you have to study. The output that you see on the monitor is called a soft copy. The output when printed on paper is called a hard copy. Now here one small example is given, just listen carefully. Geeta wants to add 12 and 32 on her computer. She presses these buttons as input, that is 1, 2 plus 3, 2 is equals to. The numbers 12 and 32 are data. Now she is pressing the buttons. What she is giving inside is the numbers, it is data, and she is giving the instruction that is plus and is equals to. She is giving the instruction that 12 plus 2 is equal to. Means both the numbers, computer, she is giving to the computer both the numbers to add and is equals to, she is asking the answer. Computer takes data, follow the instructions and add them. Addition is the process. Now these both the numbers are getting added inside the CPU and it is the process. As the output we get the result 44. As the output we get the result 44. Clear? So children, 12 and 32 is data, plus sign of plus and sign of is equal to is instruction. Process is going on and the answer that we get is 44, that is output. So children, your first point is input, that is the data and the instruction that you are giving to the computer. Your second point is the process that is happening inside the CPU, and your third point is the output, that is the result that you are getting. Here one small activity is given, just do it children. What will be the output when you multiply 4 and 6? You are giving the instruction to your mind, children. You are sending the data in your mind to your mind, that is 4 into 6, and you are getting the output, that is 24. 4 6 are 24. Come on the next page. People and computer, children. Now in this page, what it is given, children? It is given what are the things we can do and computer cannot do, and what are the things computer can do and we cannot do. Just see a first picture, girl is standing and computer is there. Now what the girl is saying? Oh no, I forgot the poem I learned yesterday. Now the computer is saying, I never forget anything. In the simple language, I have written here, in the simple language, computer remembers many things. Second, I can't solve all these sums in 10 minutes. But now computer is saying, I have solved these sums in second. It means computer is very fast. I have been working for the last 3 hours. I am so tired. Computer is saying, I can work for many hours. I never get tired. In the simple language, computer does not get tired. Next, I have made a silly mistake. I never make mistakes. Girl is saying, I can make mistake. I have made a mistake. But computer does not make any mistake. Next, I think we should go on a picnic. Let's plan one. Now computer cannot plan, children. Computer cannot think. Clear? So we can think, but computer cannot think. I can do, now the girl is saying, I can do whatever I want. We can do, children, whatever we want, but computer will only do the work that you will give, that you will tell the computer to do. Next one, ouch, I hurt my finger. I do not have any feelings. Now the computer is saying, I do not have any feelings, means computer does not get hurt. Also it does not have any feelings. It will not cry. It will not laugh. Next, I can do only one thing at a time, whereas computer can do many things at a time. At the same time you can listen music, at the same time you can do typing, at the same time you can draw any picture. So many things can be done at the same time on a computer. Next, How is a computer better than us? Now here four important qualities of computer it is given here. First one is the speed, second one is storage capacity, then accuracy, amount of work. Speed. A computer works much faster than we do. It can also do many things at the same time. Computer works very fast, children. Computer works very fast. Within a second, it will give you the correct answer. Storage capacity. A computer has a large memory. It can store a large amount of data. Computer has a very large storage capacity. Accuracy. Computer means doing something without a mistake. Computer will never make mistake. It will only make mistake when you will enter the wrong data. Suppose you are entering the wrong number and you are having other numbers with you. So it will give the same answer whatever numbers you have given to the computer. Clear? Now, amount of work. A computer does not get tired or bored. It can do huge amount of work. We can get tired, children, but computer never gets tired. Just see qualities of computer in a simple word. It works very fast. It can store many things, that is data. It does not make mistakes. It does not get tired. Now come on the next page, the exercise, that is write C for computers and P for people. Are faster. Computers are faster or people, that is computer. So you write there C. C is for computer. Forget. Computer can forget or we can forget, children. We can forget. So you write there P. P is for people. Get tired. P. P is for people. Are accurate. That is computer. That is computer. Are slower. People or computer, children. That is people. Make mistakes. Computer or people. That is people. Cannot think or plan. Children, we can think and we can plan, but computer cannot. So you write there C. Have feelings. That is for people. Computer does not have any feelings, children. Can do many things at a time. That is computer. And have a large memory. That is computer. So children, computers are faster. People can forget. People can get tired. Computers are accurate. People are slower. People can make mistake. Computer cannot think or plan. People have feelings. Computer can do many things at a time, and computers have a large memory. Now children, next, computers are not always useful. Some people steal data from computers. They use the stolen data in wrong ways. Some people put harmful things called viruses into a computer. It harms the data stored in a computer. Now, many people, they hack our computers, children, with the help of the virus and all. And what it does, they misuse our datas. So it is very important to put antivirus, to install antivirus in our computer. Antivirus, it protects our computers from the harmful virus. What is virus, children? Some people put harmful things inside the computer. It is called virus. With the help of the virus, they harm our computer, they steal our data and all. Next point, some people work on a computer for many hours. This causes pain in their eyes, neck and hands. Now what happens, children? When we use computer, laptop, mobile phones, or we watch television for a long time, it harms us. How? It causes pain in our neck, in our eyes, in our hands, in our shoulders. So do not use all these machines for a long time. Do not use all these electronic machines for a long time because it is not good for our health. Next, I always throw computer waste into a special bin, and the name of that bin is computer waste. Okay children, in this video we will cover up till here only. In the next video we will complete the exercises. Thank you very much.